Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing something that's really easy, but if you've not done it before, you may wonder how it's done, and that is take the door cards off. So my speaker has stopped working. I guess it's just connections come loose, so I'm going to take the door card off and just check the connection and hopefully get it working. Shouldn't take long, it's only maybe 5 minutes to get the door card off, if that. So I'll take it off, check the connection with you, and then we'll put it all back together. So first off, we're going to take this bit of plastic off. That just pushes backwards and comes off. He says, yep. And we need to remove the handle. So we need to take this bit of plastic off here. Don't use a screwdriver like somebody else has done. Probably best with one of these plastic removal tools. Just get it behind it. That pops off. Same at the bottom. And we need to take off the mirror remover. Okay. Now, you can probably see there's a couple of screws in the door handle. Here and here. We have to take those off. And then there's 4 screws around the edge of the door. Although there seems to be one missing on mine, which sounds about right. So here. Here, here, and here. So I'm just going to whip those off with an electric screwdriver. You probably also want to take off this bit of rubber as well around the window mirror adjuster. It just pulls off. Right, let's get these out. One, two, three, four. Okay, I'm using a normal Phillips screwdriver for these because my electric doesn't have the reach. So my door's about to fall off actually, as soon as I take these out. Yep. There we go. Just like that, it comes off. Yeah, there we go. So I can see that one of my speaker connections has come out. See it dangling away? So I'm just going to reconnect that. Bollocks, now they're both off. Pretty tight, these speaker leads of mine. There we go. Both back on. Door card just sits on these rubber holders at the bottom. Clip it in place up here. And do the reverse of what you just done. So door handle. Make sure you get it under plastic strip at the top. Pop this back on. This can be a bit fiddly to get through the hole around here. Okay. There's that. Oh, that's right the first time. Pops on. That pops on, they go on one way. Slide it forward. And then you just put the screws back in around the edge. That's how you take the door card off and put it back on again. Lovely. Drop a like and a subscribe if you found this helpful, and you can even press the notification bell if you so wish. Thanks a lot guys, see you soon.